Connect to the power supply. Connect compressed air. Connect the inlet and outlet pipes. Turn on the machine. Set the grinding duration. Set the pressure. Set the rotational speed. Move the upper turntable up or down. Place the grinding sample and observe it with the face facing down. Turn on the tap and adjust the water flow. Start grinding. Grinding is complete. Turn off the water supply and remove the sample. Switch to polishing mode. Set grinding parameters. Add abrasive material. Turn on the water flow and adjust it to a continuous drip mode. Start polishing. Polishing completed, remove the sample. Click the spin drying drum. Turn off the machine.